Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a 2008 Chevy Aveo, and today we are replacing the ignition coil of this car. So first of all you have to remove the engine cover. Then after removing this, these are the ignition coils. They have a number written on that. So to remove this you can just pull that out like this. Yeah, baby. And then you can pull these one from there. Like this, and we are replacing it with the NGK. These are the exact OEM fit and design. So we got it from Amazon for 70 bucks, so you can get it from Amazon easily. Sure, buddy. So to find out which one goes where, so there is a number written over there, 2, 3 and 1, 4. So that one is number 2. It's written on the coil. So number 2 will go there. Number 1 will go there. That's number 3. That's number 1. No, sorry, number 4. Yeah. And on this side, so the long one goes in that. You're gonna hear a click sound, so make sure it's pretty tight. And number 2 will go here, and then number then number 3 will go into this, and number 4 will go into this. And you can put them in that like this. And that's how you can put your ignition coil back. So, and after that you can put your cover, engine cover, on top of that. So that's how you guys can change the ignition coil of 2008 Chevy Aveo. And thank you so much guys. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.